Alright, I just got to Leeton's house and he doesn't know I'm here, so I'm gonna set up the tripod and do like a knock and run because I'm 12.
Definitely can't see shoe.
Camera set up too.
Oh, well, I may as well play them this. And then it goes. And then the chick's like, yeah, I do. Yeah.
I thought you were gonna walk out there and look at the car and then have that fun ski.
What? I could like see when I walk through there. Oh, there's my Christmas tree. When you get that.
Oh god.
It's a real tree.
Did you make it?
I made the tree, yeah.
Yeah, you made the real tree. We're gonna do a cover of stop. It's filming. You're making me look bad. Okay, we're gonna cover Grace Vanderwaal's I Don't Know My Name.
Be warned, we have learnt this in the past 10 minutes, and we only got these yesterday, so. Oh no. Yeah.
Just getting the lyrics up.
There we go.
Okay.
So,
Oh wait. I was meant to do the stop and then.
my sister's friend, you got along quite nicely.
I feel like I'm going too fast.
Yeah, I think you are.
I think the first one we're doing too fast as well.
Alright, no, let's try again. Start again. You're going like 2 million kilometers an hour. I can't even sing that fast. Yeah.
Take 7. Take 12.
Take 19.
Take 1,323.
We are pretty good, let's retake it. You asked me why I cut my hair and changed myself. You again. Restart.
Damn it!
You're going so fast, bro.
No, I just went to G instead of A.
And changed myself completely.
Ow!
Oh, bro!
So much went wrong in like 2 seconds.
People, please don't ask me anything.
No.
It was good as well. Can't do that. I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game.
Try to play it left hand. That's gonna be so good.
That's not possible.
Do double.
I don't know my name. So you say. So you say. So you say. I know my name. And I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say. So you say. Two, please.
So we're about to go order sushi with the ukulele. It's straight in. Don't even think about it. Leet installing.
Music's gonna put me off.
No. Here we go. Not near the go.
No, the music's gonna put me off.
Do it.
It's gonna put me off. Okay.
Play it to me, go.
Okay.
Right now.
You ready?
Yeah, go.
So you want to go first?
Not really.
Okay, you ready? Can I have sushi rolls?
2 please.
1 tuna and chicken, please. And I'm really, really hungry. but I don't have any money. Dry shout.
Did you get that? Did she get it?
Yeah.
She did. Look. Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah, boy. Here, have all of my money.
How good. Oh.
I'm gonna grab the skateboard out the back. Oh! I forgot to tell him about the break-in. Alright, so the other day my car was actually broken into. You can see like all the leftover glass and stuff. There's no window there at all. And it's been like bent up here. Yeah, I reckon they crowbarred in here and just like popped the window. And yeah, so I've got one skateboard in the back, but they stole, hold on. So whoever did it, they stole two skateboards, they stole my wallet, and they stole a pair of shoes, but they didn't steal my ukulele. They left it in the car, and my camera tripod too, they left that as well. And they left all these coins in here, and in here. Shout out to those guys who robbed my car. Hope you're watching this video. No, he's not.
What is he doing? Look where his bus is. He's got its keys in it, running, and he's over there. What is he doing? Alright, hey guys.
Oh God.
We're going to Gravity. The trampoline park.
What?
Is that all?
Yeah, that's all. Bye.
See you guys.
Hey guys, so we did end up going to Gravity yesterday. We also did a whole heap of other stuff, and I just had way too much footage. If I tried to fit it into one video, it just would have been way too long. So I'm going to stop this video here and start editing the next one, and that'll be up in the next couple days. So keep an eye out for that, and we'll see you then.
I know my name, and I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say, so you say.